Hello Troop 11, this is Zach Bryant, and today we'll be learning how to make Troop 11 instructional videos. Troop 11 is currently promoting a movement to develop and produce instructional videos to help teach scout skills, administrative procedures, and proper use of troop gear. In order to help this movement, we need members of our troop to help construct these videos. Instructional videos are easy to make and are hugely beneficial to our troop and their creators. Troop members will be able to refer to these videos to refresh themselves and learn new skills for years to come, and developers can earn service hours or even complete rank requirements. First, you can begin the production process by developing a topic you are interested in and proposing your idea to the Video Archive Youth Director. While this position is likely to change hands, as of the making of this video, your contact would be Zach Bryant. Be sure to use Scoutbook for all of your communications. The Youth Archive Director will respond to your email, telling you if a similar video already exists or is already under production, and if not, you can continue to Step 2. If a similar video is already being filmed, don't be discouraged. There are plenty of topics for you to choose from. Next, you will need to develop an outline, or framework script, for your video. This outline is to help you and the program directors get a better feel for what is being filmed before you dive into the production process. This is a crucial step in producing professional quality content. When you have finished your outline, email it to the Adult and Youth Archive directors. They will review your work and either return the outline for further development or approve your production to continue its development. If approved, you will receive a formal title and archiving code. These are important pieces of information. Do not lose them. Now you can begin the filming process. Get creative and have fun. Experiment with different styles and formats, but be sure to include the primary elements of any good lesson. First, open your video with an introduction. This should include the video's assigned title and the archiving code. Next, explain what you will be instructing. Summarize the crucial information and tell the viewer why it is important for them to understand. Third, you should demonstrate and guide your viewer to help get them involved and build their skill and understanding. Perhaps this would be a great place to include a clip of you doing it yourself. Then, enable your viewer. Encourage them to experiment with their new knowledge and employ it in the real world. Finally, end your video with a closing card. Like the introduction, this part can include the video's title and archiving code. After you have finished scripting and filming, it is time to do a little video editing. While this is not completely necessary, video editing can improve the production quality of your video and really bring it to life. Both Mac and PC devices have built-in editing software, which is plenty powerful enough to complete all the video editing you need. Again, don't be afraid to experiment. Now, your finished products can be sent to the youth and adult archiving directors to be uploaded and saved. Thank you for helping us to build our library and better our troop. As you can see, the process for developing, writing, and producing Troop 11 instructional videos is simple and can be done by anyone. If you are interested in making one yourself, or have any questions about the filming process, feel free to contact the current archive directors.